Hey guys, welcome to my June 2019 bullet journal setup. And for this month, I decided to go with an ice cream and sprinkle theme. So I'm drawing my ice cream cone right now. I'm actually sketching it out and doing a rough draft, erasing all of the lines, and then I'm going to color it in with a marker. And now I'm just, sketching out the outline, coloring it in, adding the little indents that waffle cones and ice cream cones usually have. This part took a little bit of while, so I sped it up. And I'm just using my Tombow dual brush pens to color it in. And I'm using a white blender to blend in all the colors together, and also using my Crayola SuperTip markers. Now I'm just coloring in the ice cream cones, and I decided to do fun colors like pink, blue, and green because these colors just remind me a lot of the summer. I thought that this ice cream cone was a perfect theme for the summer, for June especially, because it's such a refreshing theme. I love using colors, and I love summer because you get to be so colorful and you get to eat lots of ice cream and you just see colors everywhere, and I just love that so much. Now I'm just adding a little dollop of whipped cream. My gray marker bled a little bit, which is why it turned out more gray than I wanted it to be. And now just finally adding the cherry on top. And I'm going to finish off the ice cream cone with adding a little bit of sprinkles as the theme. And then I'm also going to add some sprinkles to the back of the page, to the background, just to add that pop of color. Now I'm just taking my Tombow dual brush pen in the color black and hand lettering the month, June. And then I'm just going it over with, black pen just to make it more perfect, and then adding a shadow using the pink dual brush pen. I really like this combination. I'm also adding some highlights to the letters using my white Jelly Roll, I think Jelly Roll gel pen it's called. So I'm just going over to get a really white highlight. And now I'm just, outlining the sprinkles. On this page, I'm just doing my monthly overview, and I decided to, make it simple this month and just have a little calendar at the top, just some place for goals, and just a place for like important dates and to-dos, because adding a lot to my monthly overview just overwhelms me, and I find that I focus more on the weekly layouts, so just the monthly goals and to-do lists would suffice for this month for me. Just sketching a little ice cream cone, little sundae at the top. And on this page, I'm doing this page as my gratitude log, and I'm just starting it off a little bit differently than I usually do when I'm writing this sentence out. I am thankful for, and then each day I'm going to track something that I'm thankful for, and this really helps add positivity and make you, if you're having a bad day, gives you something to really reflect and think about all the positives in your life. On this page, I'm doing my habit tracker, and this month I decided to, lessen the amount of habits that I track and just really focus on the important ones. I added a cute little ice cream sticker that I found. Now just coloring in the pink places where I can track my habits, and I'm going to track around 7 habits this month actually. And also at the bottom of this page, I'm going to track the movies, shows that I've watched, podcasts that I've listened to, and books that I've read, because that helps me reflect on lots of things. Just adding some more sprinkles to finish the page. Moving on to my mood tracker, and I had a really cute idea for this month. I thought that I would draw an empty cone, and then for each day I could track the moods by doing a different color of a scoop of ice cream. So I'm really excited to try this mood tracker out this month and see what the end result looks like. I'm sure it's going to be colorful and it's going to be unique and cute. On the next page, I'm just writing out a quote and sketching some ice cream cones. I had a blank page and I didn't really want to start my another tracker or my weekly log on this page, so I decided to do it on the next page. This page is going to just say chill out, and it's just a cute little page. I really like this quote, and I really like this spread actually. I really liked the theme of this month as well. It was really colorful and it's just so much fun. I'm now going to start working on my weekly log. Also decided to keep it very simple this month, just write out the dates and nothing else, and just have some room for some weekly reflections, important to-dos on a 2-page spread. And you'll notice I'm starting off with June 10th because I actually made this bullet journal on June 9th, unfortunately. Just adding some more sprinkles to finish off the page. So yeah, that was it for the month of June, and I hope you really liked setting up the tracker with me, and I hope this gives you some inspiration. Also, I'm really excited to use this spread because, as I mentioned, it's very colorful and it's just so cute, and I hope that I use it because I found previous months I was slacking off. So yeah, so I'm really hoping that this cute theme encourages me to use my bullet journal more, because when I do use it, I'm really much happier in those months. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you like content like this, please subscribe to my channel. Please leave a comment below what you thought of this video, and please follow me on Instagram.